Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this LeetCode problem which is add binary. What this question says that we have been given two binary string A and B and we have to return the sum of them, that is sum of A plus B in binary only. Okay, these are the examples. What we are doing just simply binary addition. Okay, and what happens in binary addition? Let's just quickly revise. If we add 0 plus 0, we get 0. If we add 0 plus 1, we get 1. If we add 1 plus 0, we get 1. And if we add 1 plus 1, we get 1 with a carry of 1. Okay. So, while using this knowledge, how we'll add these two binary, let's see. What have been given in our code is a function add binary which is sending two string, which is a string A and a string B. These are two binary strings and we have to return the sum of these two binary strings. Okay, so let's store our result in a new string. Okay, and we'll make a variable in which we'll consider our carries. Initially our carry will be 0, and then variables to store the length of both the size, both the string size, okay, which is a dot length, and we'll simply minus 1 to simply get our rightmost element. Okay, suppose the binary is 111, so here we'll have our n minus 1, whatever our length minus 1 is, so we can easily get our rightmost because we start our addition from the rightmost bit only. So we are storing it like that only. Okay, then what we do, we'll iterate through the loop in which what we do w- when we'll iterate till we have exhausted all the both the lengths of, or we have exhausted our carry also, because it can be possible, suppose we are adding 1 and 1, then both the length have been exhausted of both the strings, but we still have one carry over which is 1. Okay, so we have to consider that carry also. Okay, this carry also we have to consider it. Okay, so that we'll consider. What we'll do inside this loop is, if our first we'll check for first string. Okay, and we'll simply add our carry with our current digit, and we'll do minus 0 because then our carry is of a string type, and minus 0 will simply convert our this character of the string to our integer type. Okay, similarly we'll do for our string B as well. We'll check if length is greater than equal to 0, then what we'll do, we'll simply add in our carry the current bit of our string B, which is a binary string, and do minus 1 to convert it into the integer. And then we got our final carry. What we'll add in our result? We'll add in our result carry mod 2. Why mod 2? Because if carry is 0, it will add 0. If carry is 1, it will add 1. If carry is 2, it will add 0. If carry is 3, it will add 1. Okay, so these are our um, these are our options to do our mod of carry. Okay, and then again we'll do plus 0 to convert it into character type to store it in our string res, which is storing our result. Okay, and at last what we'll do carry by 2. Why we'll doing by 2? To update our carry as well, because our carry has been exhausted in this statement. Okay, and then simply we'll get our answer in result. Okay, but the answer we'll get in our result would be from left to right. Okay, we have to reverse it because we are restoring, we are adding it. So adding the string character like this, what it does, it adds at the back, but what we have to do, we have to add at the front. Okay, so simply after, before returning the result, what we'll do, we'll reverse this string, which is reverse of begin of result string, comma, end of result string. This will give us our perfect binary, and simply we'll return that. Oh, it was not result, it was res variable. Okay, so simply we'll return our result. Okay, it was a very simple question, but a vivid approach. If you have any doubts, just put it in the comment section and keep learning.